What if I told you there's a natural drink you can make in just 10 minutes that can boost your energy, sharpen your focus, and even bring a spark of warmth back into your marriage, all with ingredients from your kitchen? Stay with me, because this ancient ginger brew might just become your new daily ritual, especially if you're over 45 and want to feel strong, vibrant, and confident again. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make it step by step and why this powerful blend works better than most supplements or store-bought energy drinks. Let's dive in. We begin with fresh ginger, the root of vitality. For centuries, it's been used to fight fatigue, improve blood flow, and awaken the body's natural energy pathways. We're using 50 grams, about a small handful. Wash it thoroughly. Peel the skin and slice it thin, about 2 millimeters per slice. The thinner you slice it, the more gingerol, that powerful healing compound, gets released into your brew. Place those slices in a bowl. That's your base. Now let's add a burst of brightness with lemon zest. Grab a firm, fresh lemon and gently grate the yellow peel, not the bitter white part underneath. 1 tablespoon is all you need to infuse this brew with mood-lifting oils and metabolism-boosting vitamin C. Then, juice that same lemon, about 2 tablespoons worth, and strain it to keep out seeds and pulp. Set it aside. We'll combine it soon. Next, let's sweeten and smooth the mix with raw honey. Add 2 tablespoons of the good stuff, local, unprocessed honey if possible. It calms your throat, supports your immune system, and makes the drink beautifully balanced. Stir together the honey, ginger slices, and lemon zest until it forms a fragrant golden paste. This is where the magic begins. Now for the part that surprises most people, raisins. They're rich in natural sugars, iron, and potassium, perfect for lasting crash-free energy. In a saucepan, pour in 350 milliliters of water and add 100 grams of raisins. Bring it to a gentle boil, then simmer for 5 minutes. As the raisins plump, their nutrients and natural sweetness infuse into the water. Strain the liquid into a clean bowl. This golden syrup is now your nourishing base. Now bring everything together. Pour the strained raisin water back into the saucepan over low heat. Add your ginger, honey, and lemon mixture and stir gently for 2 to 3 minutes. Let the flavors melt into one warm golden elixir. Turn off the heat, cover it, and let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. That's when the real infusion happens. Now serve yourself a mug of this energizing brew. Sip it slowly and feel the warmth spread through your body. The ginger kicks in, the lemon uplifts, the honey soothes, the raisins energize. It's comfort, health, and power in every sip. Why does it work? Ginger improves blood flow and digestion. Lemon boosts immunity and collagen. Honey and raisins fuel you naturally with antioxidants and minerals. No caffeine crash, no synthetic stuff. Just nature working with your body. Want real results? Enjoy this once a day, morning or evening, for 2 weeks. You'll feel the difference in your energy, focus, and mood, and maybe even your love life. If you're ready to try it, comment below with Ginger Boost. And if you'd like to see variations using cinnamon or turmeric, let me know. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe for more simple recipes that help you feel young, strong, and alive. Until next time, here's to your energy, your health, and keeping that spark alive no matter what your age.